it's time to go. Ready to learn and watch me grow. New friends, new things to see. Back to school, it's fun, you'll see. Pack my bag and off I go, with pencils, crayons all in tow. A big bright smile on my face, I'm ready to start in this special place. Back to school, it's time to go. Ready to learn and watch me grow. New friends, new things to see.
My dear teachers and all my dear friends, I am honored to stand here today and express my heartfelt gratitude to my school. This achievement couldn't have been possible without the unwavering support and guidance of my teachers, parents and this school. I would like to extend my sincere thanks to my teachers who have been instrumental in shaping my academic journey. Your expertise, patience and encouragement have inspired me to push beyond my limits and strive for excellence. To my parents, I owe a debt of gratitude for their support and encouragement. Your faith in me has been a constant source of motivation and I'm grateful for everything you have done for me. I am also thankful to my school for providing a nurturing environment that has allowed me to grow and develop as a student. The opportunities and the resources provided by the school have been invaluable in helping me to achieve my goals. Now, I stand here today and I would also like to acknowledge the support of my fellow students who have been an integral part of my journey. Your camaraderie and collaboration have made the experience even more enriching. Once again, I would like to thank all my dear teachers. You have been guided me in the right direction and motivated me to achieve my goals. Your hard work and dedication have taken me to the heights of success. Thank you one and all.
Teachers and my dear friends, today is one of the most memorable day of my life. Standing here as the SSLC topper of our school fills me with pride and deep gratitude. This moment is not just a celebration of marks, but a reflection of the love, support and hard work of many people in my life. First, I thank God Almighty for giving me strength, focus and good health throughout the year. Without His blessings, nothing would have been possible. I express my heartfelt gratitude to our beloved headmistress who has been a source of inspiration and strength for all of us. Ma'am, your leadership, constant encouragement and belief in every student's potential have played a huge role in shaping us. To my teachers, I owe a special thanks, who have guided me with patience and dedication. Each lesson, each word of encouragement and each correction has shaped my journey. You have not only taught me lessons from textbooks, but also guided me with valuable life lessons. Whether it was clearing my doubts, motivating me during exams, or correcting my mistakes, you always pushed me to do best. Moreover, I would also like to thank our correspondent and school management for creating such a positive and encouraging environment. The focus on both academic excellence and character building truly sets our school apart. As I stand before you today, I know that this success is not mine alone. It belongs to my parents, my sister, and every teacher who believed in me, every staff member who supported me, and every moment spent learning in this school. I will always remain proud to be a student of this institution.
You should not give up the freshness. You should not allow you break yourself. So that is the thing you have to do in this year. There are so many children new to this institution, as well as those who are old, in the sense they were studying here only. But now we are one family at the roof of St. Thomas English Medium School, Alangar. So I wish you all the best for this academic year. We will have to meet now and then. So therefore, today is the beginning, and you are very enthusiastic to see your friends. Have you seen your friends? Have you seen your friends? How they are? They become fatty. The teachers very best to in this academic year, so that you may continue the same hard work, more than that you did last year, so that you may achieve so many great achievements in this year. I congratulate Pawan and Neola, and also I congratulate the parents of Pawan and Neola, and I congratulate all the students who achieved a distinction above 90 marks, isn't it? Above 600. So I congratulate you, and also your parents. Their support, their encouragement had made you to achieve this success. So also I request all the children, you look at them, they are the model for you. You should imitate them in studying and achieving good things. May God bless you, keep you healthy, happy always in this institution. Have a nice day. God bless you.
नए सपने नई उमंग खुशियों से भर गया रंग मिलेंगे फिर से यार पुराने, खिलेंगे फिर से नए तराने। वापस स्कूल चले, हाँ वापस स्कूल चले, मस्ती पढ़ाई संग चले, सपनों की ऊंचाई छूने चले।